morning, Sto-Rox. Today is Tuesday, December 6th. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. Junior and senior, if you're interested in the after-school drone program to become a certified drone pilot, please see Mr. Herzer to get on the list. Seniors, please remember that your senior portraits for the yearbook are due December 12th. Students, please remember that you are not allowed to bring in any open snacks or drinks. Open snacks and drinks will be thrown away at check-in if you bring them. The word of the day is prosperity, which means wealth. Thank you.